Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, who fancies a piece of pan-fried cod on a bed of mushy peas, well minted mushy peas, and a side of crushed garlicky, paprika, new potatoes. That's what we're having today, guys. Let me show you. With a bit of creamy lemon and parsley sauce. We're going to have that over the top, guys. I've never had that before. So I'm hoping it's going to be nice. That's some Schwartz. So we've got some baby new potatoes here, guys, which I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to chop them in half and I'm going to parboil them. I've got 2 pieces of cod from Aldi. I think it was $3.99 for them. I've got some flour to dip my old cod in. I've got some mushy peas with mint sauce, a bit of garlic, a bit of smoked paprika, and some garlic and herb seasoning. That's what we got, guys. Nice and simple this should be. We just got to do the potatoes first. We've got to get them boiling and that. So what I'll do, instead of just showing you that, we'll chop them up and I'll put them on my pan for 20 minutes until they're nice and soft. Okay, guys, while the potatoes are on, I'm just going to start preparing my fish. We're going to get them open and we're going to pass them all dry first before we do anything else. It's always best to pat your fish dry. Some kitchen towel. And the next one. And because it's only me who likes the fish, Nat and the lads are having garlic and herb pork bellies and Chinese pork bellies from Iceland. There's the Chinese ones. And there's the garlic and herb. I was going to make my own, but I thought, oh well, just get them. Because I'm not eating them. So there's my fish. I'll dry it a bit more. I want it as dry as I can get it, to be honest with you. Get some more towel. Yeah, some good pieces of fish actually, cod, for nice and cheap, you know. If you like a bit of fish. We'll leave them to the side for 1 minute. We'll get our flour. I'm going to paprika my flour. I'm not using salt, but you can if you want. I'm going to use a bit of paprika. I'm going to use a bit of salt on my fish though. We'll give it a mix. We will salt the fish, both sides, and pepper, and we're going to get them coated in the old flour. Then I'm just going to leave them to sit there, and I'll probably coat them again then, just before we fry them. It's not going to be battered, but guys, just putting the flour on, keeps in the juices, seals it in a bit. That'll do. We'll leave them at the side, and I'll clean up. Right, while that potatoes are boiling, guys, we'll just show you these garlic and herb pork belly slices and the Chinese ones. I think one of them said it was new. I can't remember which one. I think it might have been a Chinese one. I'm not sure. But it was 3 for 11 quid. Or 3.50 each or something, if I can remember. I can't quite remember. Anyway, garlic and pork, garlic and herb pork slices. There they are. They ain't very big, are they? But it's all in the taste. And I had some a couple of weeks ago from I'll put the ingredients for it, guys, on the screen. I'll take it offline and put it on the screen so you can have yourselves a look. And I had some from Aldi a week or two ago. Said they weren't much flavour. Didn't do it on a video. Said there weren't much flavour. And there's the Chinese pork ones. They don't look too bad, them Chinese pork ones. So we'll leave them to the side. We've got the oven warming up for them. They take, what, 22 minutes, I think it said, or 25 minutes, until they're cooked anyway. Okay, guys, the potatoes are done. I'm just going to put these pork bellies in the oven now. They're in. Now, My potatoes are done. I did cut all the eyes off and all that stuff. Get them onto a board. And just kind of mash them with a fork or with a... Ow. Hot. I'll have to use more because it's too hot. I'll have to use my masher. Not too much, just a bit. Put them all in a bowl. Just to crunch them up a little bit. There we go. Oil. Your garlic seasoning. Garlic and herb. Get a bit of that on. We want the flavour. And your smoked paprika. As much or as little as you want, depending on how you like it. I'm going to have to get something to stir that. Because it's too hot. These are going to be delicious and crispy when these are cooked. As a side dish. Some big ones, some small ones. We're just going to fry it up, guys, for about 10 minutes, I suppose. It'd be something like that. That will do. Right. And we clean this bit up, then we'll get on with the fish. Okay, guys, we're going to do the fish in the front, and I'm going to do the potatoes in the back. So I'm just getting my pans on. Probably like a medium heat, I reckon. Something like that. We'll get them warmed up. I'll just redo my fish while I'm here. We're going to get a little bit of oil in the pan for the fish, guys. I'm not having loads, just a bit. I'll put a little drop in for the potatoes and all. We'll get that heated up. Okay, potatoes are going in. And guys, we're just going to fry them all up until they're nice and crispy. There they are, look. Oh, oh yes. And as for the fish, shake your excess flavour off and get them in. And we want to do them maybe, what, 4 minutes each side, something like that. Fry all these up. Want all these crispy. I might turn it heat up a little bit actually on there. If you want them crispy, I think I'm going to stick another little drop of garlic in here, guys, just in case there isn't enough. That's better. I can smell the garlic now. I can smell it. Cook away. Let me just check my fish. Yeah. No, a little bit more. I want to stick some butter in there, but I haven't got any. I got no butter. Oh, I had some butter given to me off my neighbour, which I haven't used yet. Smoked paprika from Tesco. Let's have a bit of that. I'm not sure how much it is. My neighbour gave me about 3 lots. I was going to do it with, there it is, look. With like a chicken Kiev. Frozen. It'll melt. I'm going to put some in the potatoes and all. Why not? Oh, yes. Turn the fish over now. Oh, looking nice. Probably have to flip it one more time. Oh, that's looking nice, guys. Look at that. Potatoes ain't looking the best, but it's all in the taste, ain't it? Right, I'm getting my mushy peas in, guys. If I can. Oh, yes. Love a mushy pea. I must have that many tins of mushy peas. Love a mushy pea. And a teaspoon of mint sauce. I'm going to put a little bit more in actually, make it a bit mintier. I've turned my potatoes off, a couple of them have caught. Well, hey, it's all the flavour. We'll cook them up, and what I'm going to do with that parsley sauce, I'm going to cook it in here. So after I dish everything up, I'm going to dish it in here so I can get all that mint and pea flavour in there and all. Check this now, it's looking delicious, Ali, look at that. Oh yes, one more turn. Oh, that's better. That's better, guys, look. So you can baste it with a spoon if you want, or just give it a shake. About another 20 seconds and we'll get them out onto some towel or on a wire rack, whatever's your fancy. And we'll leave them to sit, guys, while we wait for the peas to do. Okay, guys, let's just have a quick look at this creamy lemon parsley sauce. This was £2.40, this was. Simply heat up or microwave. Serves for... I wanted some of the Coleman's ones. I do the Coleman ones in a box, but because I was going to keep it then in my cupboard, but I ain't got none. Typical, innit? There it is. There's quite a lot of parsley in there by the looks of things. Anyway, there's my fish. I'm just warming them back through. There's them nearly done. Okay, let's dish my mushy peas up. I'm having a full tin. This is all I'll be eating all day. Well, I won't. I'll have a snack. I'll have a banana or something. Put them on there. And we'll just get that in there to warm up, guys. Now, it is quite thick, actually, that is. Just mix it all together. Some of that pea juice. Some peas. And mint. Oh, yes. Onto the fish, on top of me mushy peas. Go one there, like that. And let's go one there, like that, eh? Oh, yes. We will have some potatoes on the side. Let's grab a handful, well, a few, not loads for me. Hey, look at that. That ain't half looking bad, guys, is it? Things come together in the end. Just got to wait for the parsley sauce and that'll warm everything back through. Parsley sauce is done. It's a little bit thin. Oh yes, let's just pour a little bit over. Like so. There we go, guys. There's my dinner. Hey, so let's dish nuts up, guys. I've just done the lads. Now, 2 Chinese, darling.
Thank you.
Can you put your finger on there? Because that's yours. I don't want to put my finger on it. Because I've got fish.
Oh, no, thank you. Don't put fish on.
Fish?
That'll do for me.
That'll do?
Yeah.
That's a...
I can always have another one in a bit.
Hold on, get your crunchy potatoes on, Bab.
Oh,
Get your crunchy spuds. Well, your burnt crunchy spuds, shall I say?
no, it's okay.
Hey? They look alright, don't they, actually?
Not too many for it.
No, just a couple.
Just a cut. That'll do.
Have one more crunchy one.
Yeah,
Just for good measures. And there is Nat's, guys. Do you want some of that juice, Bab? The Chinese pork juice?
Go on then.
Or should I just put it on the table? Yeah. Alright. And there's Nats. That don't look half bad either, does it? So what do you reckon, guys? For fish dinner? I reckon that ain't half bad, you know that. I done one the other day, not like this, but I had fish the other day. Oh, yes. The mushies. The potato. You going to try them potato, darling? You let me know.
I'm quite nice, they are.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. They're lovely.
I would have done roasters, but thought we'll do them instead. I haven't done them like that before.
Quite nice, they are, actually.
Oh, quite nice.
Yeah.
What's them porks on?
I don't know.
That's the garlic and herb one.
It's the first time I'm going to try it.
Because you had some the other week, didn't you, from Aldi? No, you said there weren't much flavour in them, didn't you?
There wasn't much flavour at all in them. The trouble is, I have to have a couple of bites to get the taste.
Yeah, a couple of bites. Let me get on with my fish.
Let
me get on with my fish, guys. Love a bit of fish, me. Love a bit of fish. Crunchy bit at the bottom there.
You can taste the garlic in this one.
Taste the garlic in that.
Yeah, you can. Let's try this one.
Oh.
That ain't too bad, that isn't. Chinese ones are subtle.
Chinese one's subtle.
If I had to choose, I prefer the garlic ones.
For the garlic ones, if you have to choose. Unfortunately, I'll give you
Oh,
2 Chinese ones.
That's okay. I'm not fussed. I'll eat them.
I think the garlic one had a lot better reviews.
Yeah, I
if
do
can
prefer
remember.
the garlic one.
I can't remember.
The Chinese, it's got a subtle taste.
think people say the Chinese one was aniseed or something. It tasted like aniseed. I don't know. I can't remember.
It has got a weird aftertaste, you know. Yeah. Now you've said that.
I love aniseed.
That is the aftertaste.
And these potatoes ain't bad, are they?
Oh, God. Straight down my top.
Don't look the best, them potatoes, but they're all right, them.
Nice.
They're eatable. The mushies. And let's try this parsley sauce. Yeah, that all goes well together, that. So there we go, guys, a fish dinner. Pan-fried cod. Delicious. I mean, you'd probably have it between the two. You wouldn't have a piece of fish each, but this is my only meal for the day. So I'm filling up, and I'll probably have a banana later.
I don't know what to say about them Chinese ones.
You're not sure? You're not 100%? It's one of them, I suppose. You like them all,
Now
you
I've
don't you?
now I've had a couple of bites.
It's like everything, isn't it? It's all in the taste, isn't it? It's what someone likes, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. They're kind of like the same
Ah,
thing.
good, you can't. Oh, yes.
No, I prefer the garlic ones.
Well, there is some more.
Hands
A
down.
couple of garlic ones there.
Yeah, it's okay.
So there we go, guys. Pan-fried fish on a bed of mushy peas and some garlicky, paprika-y new potatoes. So give us a like, give us a subscribe. Subscribe. Give us a subscribe. Till next time. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. Sorry, I got food in my mouth.